Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of financial jargon? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Expensify's pricing structure, specifically that mysterious unbundled fee. If you're a freelancer, small business owner, or anyone who jibbles receipts like a pro, Expensify's expense management software might be on your radar. It streamlines expense tracking, simplifies approvals, and even integrates with accounting tools. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, hold on a sec. While Expensify offers a free plan, their paid options come with a twist: bundled versus unbundled fees. Now, this might sound like something straight out of a finance textbook, but fear not, we're here to decode it all. The bundled bliss, the power of the Expensify card. Imagine a world where expense tracking happens with just a swipe. That's the magic of the Expensify card. It's a corporate credit card that seamlessly integrates with the software. Here's the catch: to unlock the bundled pricing, which is generally cheaper, at least 50% of your company's approved expenses need to flow through this card. Think of it like a loyalty program. The more you use the card, the lower your overall fees. It's a win-win for Expensify. They get more card transactions, and potentially for you, simplified expense tracking and potentially lower fees. The unbundled maze, when the card isn't your king. But what if the Expensify card isn't your cup of tea? Maybe your company has existing corporate credit card policies, or perhaps international transactions aren't smooth with the Expensify card. Here's where the unbundled fee kicks in. It's essentially an additional cost you pay for using Expensify without hitting that 50% card usage threshold. The exact fee depends on your chosen Expensify plan, collect or control, and can range from $10 to $18 per user per month. Ouch! The sliding scale, a glimpse of hope. There's a silver lining, though. Expensify offers a sliding scale for the unbundled fee. The closer you get to that 50% card usage mark, the less you pay for the unbundled fee. So, if, say, 40% of your expenses go through the card, you might see a reduced unbundled fee compared to someone using Expensify without the card at all. So, bundled or unbundled? The choice is yours. Here's the key takeaway: the decision between bundled and unbundled pricing hinges on your specific needs. If the Expensify card integrates well with your workflow, it can be a cost-effective option. However, if the card isn't a good fit, be prepared for the unbundled fee. Don't forget to factor that fee into your overall budget when comparing Expensify to other expense management solutions. Remember, knowledge is power. Now that you've cracked the code on Expensify's pricing structure, you can make an informed decision about their software and avoid any surprise fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.